One of the main reasons I'm excited about the encyclopedia is it's the first chance we're going to have as educators to actually get all the knowledge everywhere tapped. It also means it will be available for the world.
So we're pretty excited about the ability of people to either use the online encyclopedia or ultimately the print-based volumes that will come out of it. It will be a great jumping off point for people if they're just starting in the field.
Usually when you have some type of resource like this, it's very focused on the United States or it's very focused on Western scholars. I think one of the great benefits is that we're able to have multiple topic areas in multiple disciplines, but also from scholars that really represent lots of different countries.
This is a truly transnational project, and we're also ensuring gender diversity as well, and Indigenous voices.
The globalization of knowledge means we have ideas coming from everywhere.
We're in an era of information overload. When I first started graduate school, it was information scarcity. We didn't have online resources, we didn't have access to so much information. And now when someone is searching a topic, you go to the Google search engine and you'll find a million hits. The Oxford chapters are all refereed, they're all invited, they're inviting big name scholars. They go through a substantive peer review process. So you know when you're reading that, you're getting something good, as opposed to the hit that somebody paid to come up first when you search in Google.
Being able for us to be able to revise and allows us to stay with them as the field moves through time and space.
There are a number of divisions to the broader encyclopedia. So this project, I think, will be invaluable so that people can see the usefulness of looking in other disciplines, focusing on the same problem.
Anybody can benefit from them, especially students, but also people around the world. They're not written for a specialized audience, but the people who are writing them are familiar with all the key sources in their fields. So it's, I think, a pedagogical source, meaning you're trying to teach people about the topic that you're writing on.
One of the benefits of this project then is that it's very broad in scope, but it's highly integrated.
It'll be unlike some other encyclopedias because we can now take a look at the world and say, yes, here's the nature of the research, but here's also some major critiques of this research, and here's where it needs to go.